Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to configure integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Gmail. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, through the Gmail service you can send new emails. Now let's move on to setting. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the KeyCRM source system. Now you need to choose the action. In this case, select Get Customers, New. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, we go to KeyCRM's personal account. Next, go to the Settings. General. If you have not yet created the API key, click Create API Key. Copy it and insert it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the necessary field is filled, we click Continue. When the connected account was displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. For the KeyCRM system, additional settings are not provided, so we just click Continue. At this stage, you can configure the data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see data on one of your KeyCRM customers. If everything suits you, we click Continue. The configuration of the KeyCRM data source is successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting data destination. The system select Gmail. Next, you need to choose the action. Send email. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of the Google personal account. If you have not connected your Gmail account before, you need to note all the access checkboxes so that the ApiX-Drive system has access to send emails through your Gmail account. When the connected account was displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you see Gmail fields to send new letters. You can configure the sending of emails to yourself when the new KeyCRM customer will appear. To do this, in the To Email field you need to prescribe your email to which you want to receive information about the new KeyCRM customers. If you want to send emails from KeyCRM leads, then in this field you need to choose a variable from KeyCRM that contains the customer's email. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Next, you need to fill in the subject and body fields. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also prescribe data manually. When all the necessary fields are filled with Continue, click. At this stage, you see an example of email, which will be sent to every new customer through your Gmail account. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will return a step back. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue to configure. This is the setting of Gmail data successfully completed. Now you need to turn on the auto-updating and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful settings of integration and good luck.